Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Lamborghini Urus. First, let's lay down the foundational shapes. Start with a long, low rectangle for the main body, which will guide your overall proportions. Next, define the wheelbase, making it about 2/3 of the total vehicle length. Then, gently sketch the roofline, ensuring it maintains that signature low-slung, sporty profile. This initial framework is crucial for a balanced drawing. Now, let's bring out the Urus's aggressive styling. Carefully refine the body panels, incorporating those iconic sharp creases and angular lines that define its powerful presence. Next, focus on the prominent wheel arches. They are quite large and muscular. Then, draw the wheels themselves, making sure they are substantial and fill those arches effectively, giving the vehicle a grounded, athletic stance. It's time to add those unmistakable Lamborghini details. Begin by sketching the signature Y-shaped headlights and taillights, which are key to its identity. Next, carefully draw the large, hexagonal front grille, a dominant feature that conveys power. Don't forget the distinctive side air intakes, which contribute to its aerodynamic and aggressive look. These elements truly make it a Lamborghini Urus. For the final touches, let's add depth and realism. Apply shading strategically to create volume and highlight the Urus's sculpted contours, paying attention to light sources. Refine all your lines, ensuring they are crisp and precise, giving your drawing a polished finish. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Take your time with these last steps to truly make your Lamborghini Urus drawing pop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.